Freebie here again, bringing you another professional, top-notch, inspirational, informative video. Gotta love it. Freebie here again, gonna bring you something else. Look here. We got the Kinghike electric golf cart. And today we're going to do a rock light install. Now, if you watch my videos, you know I've already done this on my CF Moto 600 touring. I'll try to provide a link for that video for your viewing and enjoyment. So let's get to it. Now, because this is a 48 volt electric golf cart and the mic tuning rock lights are 12 volt, we'll need a converter to bring it down from 48 volts to 12 volts. And the light bar is wired to the lights, so when you turn the lights on, they automatically come on. And they are bright. So we'll be mounting these right up here. Have two of them, one for the light bar, one for the rock lights. Some people just would like to run a 12 volt off their batteries. Bad part about that is when you're draining one particular battery, a lot of times it will fail before any of the other batteries, and you don't want to have to replace these. They're high dollar. And anytime you want to hook up to your system, you want to go to where your main power is coming out, your last battery, and that's going to be your positive right here and your negative right here going to the motor. So this is the two posts that you want to hook any accessories to, and that's what I'm going to be hooking my inverter to, running my lines down, coming up, and I'm going to put everything under here out of sight with easy access. This pops off and you can get to everything easy. Now I am going to be running my hot wire for my inverter from the batteries to these two terminals. I'll come down and go through underneath. Oh, let me get down here where I can show you stuff. Okay. I'll be coming out. I'll be following these lines underneath. And we'll come up and run up to the console. This console just snaps in. So you get lifted up, take it off, and man, look at the room you have in here. So I'll be mounting my converter. I'm going to do a fuse box so I can attach all of my accessories to it. And I did a fuse box on my CF Moto 600 touring. I'll try to add a link to that if you want to see that. I've got plenty of room. I'm going to add everything and then run my rocker switches to the side of the console. Snap it back together. This comes with a small speaker. Everything's in here for you. Okay, I've got the back ones installed. There's my excess wire and the fender wells. I'm just about finished. I had to create a bracket, make a bracket, put my rock lights under the front fender wells. They're not asymmetrical, so I had to do two different brackets. I'll show you the right one. Now, as I said, 48 volt, had to get a converter to go 12 volt. Here are my two main posts, negative, positive. I'm about ready to hook that up. Ran my line down through. And I'll show you the console. And this was the fun part. This is the inside of my console. Top pops off. I put my inverter with my fuse box and my rock light control module. I mounted it on a piece of wood with foam underneath so it gets very little vibration, won't slide around. My rock light connections, waterproof. I've got all of my wiring run up to 2 rocker lights, or rocker switches. I'll show you that. I'm gonna button it up. We got the blue lighted LEDs. They'll come on when the power's on. Just drill a 3/4 inch hole for these and they just pop right in. All right, I have everything hooked up. Positive, positive, negative, negative. And it's best to put a fuse. I've got a 30 amp fuse in line before I go to my converter. Okay, what you see is what you get. There's my regular headlights. And tail lights. And let's hit that light bar. Oh yeah, we got real lights. Now, we got the rod lights going, and there are different modes for it. And let me kill these headlights and let you see how they perform. Red's pretty cool. Green. Put it on moto. Hey, let me now. Hey, I do it my way, you do it your way. And if they coincide, so be it.